Yeah, we cleaned their little puppy pen. Now kind of a little on the dirty side.
She says, I'm going to do it again.
Yeah, man. We have one of them who has figured out how to climb out. Let's see if she's going to do it. May not do it while we're watching here.
She says, I don't want y'all to see that I know how to do this.
Oh, here she comes. What are you doing, little girl? Little black girl. She's looking, see now, see, heck. Look at this out now.
You little turd.
Uh-oh. Oh, they're pulling her back in. Oh, they didn't.
We won't let you go. Just like her daddy. She's got to come back around and try it again.
Nope.
Might need to move the pen back.
Oh.
Hey. I'll get back over here. Hold on. There. Here she comes.
Yep. Oops.
Oh, somebody got her feet out from under her. Just come on. Come on, I can do it. You know I can.
Let's see. Okay. Go and try.
Oh, they're going to pull her back again.
They don't want her leaving. No. Oh, they don't want her going.
Come back, sissy.
Oh, no. They know she's not supposed to go.
Yeah, your brothers didn't like that. Oh, Lord. She says, okay, one more shot at it. Yeah. Yeah. You're just bad, aren't you? Look at that. Lower jaw stuck out. She says, I'm determined. Yeah, I'm going to do it.
Come on.
I'm going to do it whether you like it or not.
Yep,
There you go.
Uh-oh.
Are you stuck?
Oh, no, they're all going to try to pull her back in. Oh, they pull. Oh, no.
Sissy, you're not supposed to do that.
Okay. Let's see if she can make it this time.
You had a mad look on your face. Uh-oh, here she comes.
Here she comes, almost. Hey, little black girl. Whoop! Oh, she didn't make it that time either. Okay, let's see if she can make it this time. Or are they going to pull her back in? Oh. She still didn't quite make it.
I think she needs a little.
Let's see. Whoop! No, not that time either.
Tired?
Oh, I guess she's a little too tired to try to do it. Oh. Come on.
Maybe not.
You can do it. Oh, watch out. They're coming after you. You better hurry up.
Come back, baby. Oh, don't let her get caught.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Pick her up.
Caught. Yeah.
Pick her up. Oh, there she goes. All righty. She made it out. Yay!
Oh,